How to switch Google accounts on your Chrome browser. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can switch between Google accounts on your Chrome browser on your mobile device. So, the first thing you want to do is open your Chrome browser. And now, once you've opened your browser, you'll see three dots on the top right corner of your screen. So you'll have to tap on it. And now, tap on the second last option, which is settings. Now it will take you to this page where on the top side you can see your name as well as your mail address. So simply tap on it and now it will show you all of the accounts which are currently on your device. So now if you try to switch between accounts which are currently on your mobile device, you won't be able to switch. So what you'll have to do is simply sign out of the account you are currently signed in. And now once you've signed out of this account, you will automatically be signed in to the next account which is on your list. So this is the only way on how you can switch Google accounts on your Chrome browser on your mobile device as of now. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.